So if you have a Stanley, these are super expensive. My kids want to throw this away because the handle is loose. Don't throw it away. What you need is a T15 Torx and a small socket wrench. Put it on tighten. Go to the bottom. Nice and snug. Get the other one. Good as new.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.